Hello uncle, this me Charles.
Hi Charles, how is your grandfather? Is he feeling good now? No uncle. As you said, he had taken all the medicines and he was fine, but after 4 days he felt dizziness. So I checked his oxygen level with Pulse Oximeter and it showed the value 84.
So, we are worried about it. So I checked with different hospitals but no bed available. Uncle, please help us. I don't know what to do.
Okay Charles, just relax. You, do one thing. Make him to do a respiratory exercise for 15 minutes and check the oxygen level once more. At the same time, please check the level of any other member in your family with same machine. It might be a problem with the machine. Please let me know.
Okay, I will check it and get back to you uncle.
Charles. I am getting late to hospital.
Hello uncle. I had checked as you said, but it displayed as 84 for everyone in the family. So, I contacted the medical shop and replaced with new machine. Now the value showing for grandfather is 93 and for others it is different, that comes under normal range. Thank you so much uncle, we were worried a lot.
It's okay buddy, nowadays there is huge demand for oximeter, moreover lots of machine available with different quality and rates. So it is very difficult to identify whether it is original or not with help of a medical expert in this condition. I have just sent a video that explains how we can easily identify whether the pulse oximeter is original or duplicate without the help of expert. It is also explain how oximeter works. You please go through it and share with others also. You should be aware about it but don't be panic. Okay Charlie, take care. Stay safe.
Thank you uncle, sure. I will definitely go through it. You too take care and stay safe.
Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about pulse oximeter. How does it work? And how we can identify the equipment is original or duplicate.
Before starting the session, let us discuss about the blood circulation in our hand and why should we use right middle finger in pulse oximeter for checking oxygen level. There are two main blood vessels that carries blood to our palm. It's the ulnar artery and radial artery. These two arteries connect together in the middle finger region, so the pumping of the blood is more in the middle finger. That is why right middle finger is preferred. A pulse oximeter is a device that is used to quickly and easily monitor a person's oxygen saturation. That means it can measure the level of oxygen within the blood, especially in atrial blood, without using any invasive means. It measures the oxygen saturation of pulsating blood, and it is known as SpO2. Heart rate is automatically calculated alongside the percentage of oxygen. Now, before going to the mechanism, we need to have an understanding of what oxygen saturation is. We all know that blood carries oxygen, which is necessary for our life. Oxygen in blood is specifically carried by hemoglobin molecules. Now here you can see two hemoglobin molecules. One is with oxygen and one is without oxygen. The hemoglobin without oxygen is called deoxygenated hemoglobin, and the hemoglobin with oxygen is called oxygenated hemoglobin. Oxygen saturation simply refers to the percentage of the available hemoglobin that carries oxygen. Take the situation, there are 10 hemoglobin units and none of the 10 have oxygen, so the oxygen saturation is 0%. Now here, 5 out of 10 hemoglobin have oxygen. So, the oxygen saturation is therefore 50%. And of course, when all the hemoglobin has oxygen, the saturation is then 100%. See how pulse oximeter works here. I have drawn a simple picture. Pulse oximeter uses light to work out the oxygen saturation. Light is emitted from the light source, which goes across the pulse oximeter probe and reaches that light detector. Here you can see this is the light source and here is the light detector. If your finger is placed in between the light source and the light detector, the light will now have to pass through the finger to reach the detector. Part of the light will be absorbed by the finger, and the part not absorbed reaches the light detector. The pulse oximeter uses the property that oxyhemoglobin and deoxyhemoglobin absorb light of different wavelengths in a specific way. Oxyhemoglobin and deoxyhemoglobin absorbs different amount of light at different wavelengths. No pulse oximeter emits two types of lights. One is red light, which has a wavelength of approximately 650 nanometers, and the other is infrared light, which has a wavelength of 950 nanometers. The pulse oximeter looks out the oxygen saturation by comparing how much red light and infrared light is absorbed by the blood. In the earlier section we have discussed about blood circulation. The same concept is applying here to check the functioning of pulse oximeter, to find out original or duplicate. Step 1. Hold the right hand wrist region tightly as shown in the picture. Step 2. Connect the pulse oximeter to the right middle finger. Step 3. Check the oximeter reading. No value will be displayed. It shows a single line only. Step 4. After holding 2 to 3 seconds, release the hand. Within 1 second you can see the oxygen value displayed on the screen of pulse oximeter due to immediate blood flow. As a conclusion, we can say that the oximeter that performs this test well is perfect to use and it's original. The oximeter that displays the same value while holding and releasing the hand is not accurate and it is duplicate. This is a simple test that can be done at home. Make sure that the nails are clear before conducting the test. Remove any stains like nail polish, finger tattoos or henna dyes. Avoid using on cold fingers as the reading may not show correctly. Thank you. Stay safe. Take care.
Hi uncle, I saw the video you have sent. It was awesome and very informative. I will definitely share with others. Thank you so much. Take care. See you soon.
Oh. You are most welcome, buddy. Okay, bye, take care.